It's a hot, humid day, so I was waiting a little bit till the day temperature will get a little bit low, and now it's a nice breeze, so I'm taking Bo for a ride. He's wearing two colors. One is his regular color, which is martingale, which is creating pressure. He's so bunny. It's creating pressure when they're full, and other color is a regular flat color, so I connect leash to the flat color, so he's not getting choked by his martingale color. And I connect two colors together because he can slip from the red color, so I don't want to lose him during exercise. So we are going for a ride. Right, Bo? Hey, Bo, let's go. Good boy. We did one ride early in the morning. It was just mild but fast. I did it at around 7 a.m. And now I'm doing the second ride with him. We are riding back home. And he's doing well. We did about 1 mile, 0.7. So when we will come back home, it probably will be a little bit over 2 miles.